or native citrus fruit. It is not hybrid. You get fruits all around the year in the citrus fruit. Okay. You're having small ones. This is the flower of the citrus fruit. Okay. There are, okay. As it is native, this is the exact size of the citrus fruit. See, see the flowers. See, natural citrus fruit weigh up to 2 to 3 kgs. Okay, this is a normal citrus fruit. See, everywhere you can see it. See the size of the citrus fruit. See the different sizes in citrus fruit. As nature, it will be having more aromatic. This will be up to 2 kgs in weight. See, everywhere you are having flowers. So don't go to hybrid, go for native citrus fruits. Okay, go for native breeds or anything. This is good for health and everything.